Everybody, this is Ms Fran and welcome again to another video class. Today, in our last day of the week, our Friday penguin, we're going to be doing a science experiment. So, do you remember what we did in the previous one? Yes, we tried to mix water with coffee, with salt and pepper, and to see if it could mix and sometimes disappear, right? Good. Today we're going to be doing oblak. This is very easy and I got this from Dr. Seuss' book. For this science experiment we need three main ingredients. We need water, cornstarch, I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to need food coloring. So you need also a bowl or container for it so it doesn't escape and it's not too messy. So for this experiment I'm going to need 2 parts of cornstarch and 1 of water. So for example, I have here 2 cups of cornstarch and 1 cup of water, but if you want you can do 4 cups of cornstarch and 2 of water, and so on and so forth. The cornstarch should always be twice as the water. Okay, so I have already here, and I'm going to add the water. Can you see me? I think this container is too small, and I'm going to do it in blue. This time I'm not going to count, I'm just going to put it inside. And once we're done, we're going to start mixing. I'm going to use only one hand so I can show you the container. I'm going to start moving it like this to mix the water, the food coloring, and the cornstarch. The funny thing about this science experiment is that we don't know if it's liquidy or solid. We don't know if it's water or hard as a stone, because let me show you. Once you try to grab it, it's very hard and solid, but if I open my hand, it squeezes and pours. See, if I do it like this, it is very solid. Can you see it? But if I open my hand, it's going to be like water. This is pure science. We don't know how one thing could be liquid, water, and then hard as a rock. See? And it goes. So, if you try this one at home, I hope that you had lots of fun, and you can also do different colors. For example, I did blue this time, but you can also do green or yellow or orange, or you can even do some mixing. But always you need to see the differences between the textures of it, as when you touch it very lightly that it's water, as when you grab it and you squeeze it. I hope that you like this science experiment, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Bye bye.